If your cat looks like a tiny lion, you're a lucky pet parent. Meet the cutest cat breeds ever. First up, the Scottish Fold. Those folded ears are just too cute to handle. Next, the Ragdoll. Like living teddy bears, they love being held. Then, the Sphinx. No fur but all heart and charm. Can't forget the British Shorthair. Big round eyes and plush fur. The Maine Coon is a gentle giant with a heart of gold. Oh, and the Persian. That luxurious coat and sweet face. The Siamese. Sleek, elegant and talkative. The Bengal with its wild, exotic look. The playful Abyssinian, always up for an adventure. And finally the Munchkin. Tiny legs, big personality. So which breed stole your heart? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pawsome content.